Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Pham the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, The Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Alright, so I'm just coming on real quick because today I was out with hubby and son. We were just preparing to head out on our trip to Tennessee, and so while they were at the barbershop, I wanted to, Famous Footwear, to see if I could find my son some sandals, and next to it obviously is the Hobby Lobby, so I had to go in it, and in it was this photo craft storage box. Now mind you, the price is $34.99, but I got it for $8.24, and it comes with 16 cases, and while it is, I guess it's created for photo storage, I'm obviously going to be using this for like ephemera and, you know, clusters, and of course I'll use it for photos, but you know, things that I'll put and use in my journals as well as for card making. So my advice to you, and the purpose for me even videoing this, is just to let you know to check that clearance section in the back of the craft stores, because the reason why this was $8.99 was because of this. See that? So while the case may be damaged, all 16 of these cases aren't damaged, and I'm going to get as much usage out of this as I can, but once I can no longer use this as it is, I just pull the cases out and put it in a drawer or something like that. Also, while I was there, I picked up this really cute stamp set. Let's see if I can get a little bit more light in here. And I think I want to use that to create a journal as a gift for a friend. So I'll probably show you that on an upcoming video. And it was $9.99, but I just used the coupon. And then lastly, you know, I'm on this travel theme for the summer, but this is called Destinations. It's by the Paper Studio, and it was on clearance for $2.49. So I'll do a quick flip of that some other time, but in the meantime, I just want to pop on and share with you that information, and also to encourage you to stop into those clearance sections way in the back of the store, and don't be afraid to purchase something that's slightly damaged that you can use in a different way, or you know, use it until you get your money's worth out of it nevertheless. But until we're back here again on YouTube, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.